So this brand new Toyota 4Runner came into our shop because previously he did a parking lot repair on his fender and bumper. As you can see from far away, it looks okay, but you got a brand new car and you're gonna have somebody butcher your bumper and your fender like this. Here the fender's gouged out, it's touching the light. The line right here is not going straight. You can see it's curved. And then this whole section where the bumper meets the fender is just completely messed up. I feel like they put a bunch of glue in there and it's just a mess. But now he came to us because he doesn't like the repairs, and what we're gonna do is we're not even gonna mess with the bumper and the fender because we don't know what's going on underneath there. We don't know what they did, how they fixed it, and what kind of paint they used. So now we're gonna charge them to put a new fender, new bumper, try and panel paint it so we don't have to blend the hood or the door, and then make this truck look like new again. This is how it should be looking. It have a nice open gap. Line should be nice and clean, and paint should be looking good. Be careful with those parking lot repairs. We don't want you guys to get caught in the middle of this and have to pay double, if not triple, to fix it the right way. So instead of coming to us right away and paying maybe like 1,500 bucks, I didn't see the damage how it was before, but I can't imagine it was too bad. He ended up paying 800 to 1,000. That's my guesstimate on the previous parking lot repair, and now he's gonna have to cash up another 3 grand. So now he's in this job for grand, around $4,000, instead of being in it 2 grand maximum and having a perfect brand new car once again. So be careful. I know you guys are trying to save some money out there, but sometimes there's a saying, a foolish man pays twice. So be careful who is bidding your jobs and working on your car and who you trust. Guy came out, probably did his quick repair, 2-3 hours, threw some paint on there and bounced. And then, hey, no warranty, no guarantees, and you're kind of stuck with a shitty job. So obviously we don't want to charge you guys too much. We always try and be fair and charge accordingly to what the job is. But this is just one example. I mean, this could be an auction car if you did this kind of repair and then try and sell it at the auction where they don't really inspect them up close and personal. On the picture, it would probably look, you know, passable, as if nothing happened. But if this is your personal car and you're okay with this kind of job, oh, and I can see they didn't even paint the whole fender. They blended the clear, so they only painted the half the fender and probably did a spray can clear job. This is a white color, so if you have a darker color or metallic color, it'll look even worse. So just a heads up, be careful with those mobile repair guys. Not all of them are bad, but most will do a hack job just to get you in and out, take your money and run. So turn to L&C if you're local, or if you're not, find a reputable shop that'll do proper repairs that you're gonna be happy with. And we got our 4Runner parts in the spray booth. Brand new parts, they come black, unfortunately. So we gotta prep them, paint them the correct way. What we're gonna do is, I cleaned them, scuffed them up, and we're gonna apply our 2 coats of sealer, 2 coats of base, 2 coats of clear. We're just gonna panel paint. We're not gonna blend into the hood or the door because there's no need to. Plus it's a solid white color, and I think we can get away with doing a good color match. First step is adhesive promoter is a must on bare plastic parts before sealer. Otherwise your paint is gonna peel down the line. So mist a coat of adhesive promoter all around the bumper, making sure you get all the edges, and then you can apply your sealer, which I have it mixed up. Use my Tekna prolite 1.4 for sealer, and I spray out 35 psi. Spraying at 35 psi lays out the sealer nice and smooth. So our base coat lays out nice and smooth, and then our job overall looks nice and smooth once again. So let's do our sealer and get going. So I painted the bumper and the fender. We threw everything back on the car, put it all together, washed and detailed. It turned out super nice, super clean. Color match was good. We were busy, I got distracted, and I completely forgot to do a final video of how it turned out. But the customer was super stoked, very happy with how the job turned out. His car was back to normal. He took the car home, and hopefully he won't be back for a while. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and leave a comment below. Also, if you're new to the channel and you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. That is going to be it for today. We'll see you guys on the next one.